Okay, this is the completion of Chapter 15, Distribution to Shareholders and Dividends, and this deals with the residual dividend model. So in this problem, there was a capital budget of $3 million, and the company had a target capital structure that was said they'd finance 70% with debt, 30% with equity. So the key to this residual dividend model is that we're focused only on the equity needs. The company does not want to issue any additional shares of common stock. They need to use their available income to finance these capital budgets, at least from the equity standpoint. So then if we take their capital budget times their 30% equity for that target capital structure, that means they need to come up with $900,000 so that they do not have to issue out any additional shares of stock. So then it told us that they had net income of $2 million, and that was in their retained earnings that had rolled over from last year. So they would be able to use that to finance their projects. So the first thing we do is take that $900,000 out, and then we'd have $1,100,000 that they could afford to pay in dividends. So that's the residual part. Only what's left over can be paid out in dividends. Then the problem asked, well, if that's what they do, then what is that payout ratio? So if they can pay out $1,100,000 out of the $2 million in net income that they have, that if we divide that, that gives us 0.55 or 55%. So they have a 55% payout ratio. So then that is our final problem then for Chapter 15.